This is a little package. Got me a little dice tray from 88Riddles on Twitter. I'm gonna have them tagged somewhere. It's really dark. I'm gonna find the light. There we go. Oh my gosh, wait, it's beautiful. Look. I love it. Oh my gosh. So it's just a mini dice vault. It's a hex tray on the inside. This one has a little mushroom in it. It's from Riftgate on Etsy. I also really love this one. This is a new set that I just got from Die Hard Dice. I love their Dracana set. Would definitely recommend. This is from the Kyber set that Die Hard Dice just dropped as well. It's the Passion with the black ink. Love it. My current character has a dragon pet that she built. And so this is the dice that I roll when Chime does attacks. And this is the dice that I roll most often for Yeti, who is the character that I currently play that's a rogue artificer. This is my favorite. Oh, I dropped it. This is my favorite D8 that I own. I love it a lot. Also from Die Hard Dice. And that's my new dice tray.